All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video today. I was perusing through the tree service, just, perusing around a little, and I happened to come across this really nice pine wood. Now, pine wood is okay to sprinkle in. I'll sprinkle it in on top, but I wouldn't want to sell somebody a entire load of pine wood. So for today, I'm just going to roll this over to my truck right over here, which is in a bunch of wood chips and everything, just about 25 feet. I'm going to roll these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 really nice rounds up for the picking here over there, and this should dry up real nice, and I'll throw it on top of the pile where it can get nice and ventilated and sun, and it should just be real nice burning wood. That pine dries up nicer than you think sometimes. So anyways, here we go. Let me get rolling, and I got to get this stuff loaded up and finish up this rick of wood. Anybody know what that is? Let me know. It used to be nice till I rolled over it here now, but maybe something nice there. Anyways, here we go. Got my wood here. We're gonna get this wood split up and into the truck right now. All right, now everybody, gotta take a quick break here. Yesterday when I was making wood, my tailgate came apart on me, and this thing's just flopping around, and the top of it was out of line too. All these screws have slowly worked out on me, and they do that on these Ford tailgates now. And then I think the welds break off on the nut that's welded on the back, and they just spin around, and it does all kinds of funky stuff. You can't get the screws back in them. I got screws, I got a screw in the truck and I got a screw at home. So we're gonna fix this real quick my way. No more rambling on here so I don't lose this thing. It's gonna be flopping around. Whew. Okay, there we go. I'm just going to spray a little black paint on that for now, and now I'm good to go with that. I can come back and hit that later, no problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. I got to get this wood split up now. How about this? I'll check back in when I get all this wood in the truck. I got to get it loaded. Let's go now. All right, now everybody, got loaded up. Thanks for joining me today. That's the show. Just got to get over to the wood pile. Not going far. That pine is slippery, so got to be careful. Catch you later now.
You